I spent so many sleepless nights. Now there is no problem. I can breathe normally. I'm getting a soundful sleep. I'm able to concentrate more on my studies.
Everybody has to think about this medicine free or hand holding. She used to get a often cold actually. Due to the cold, excess of cold, she used to get the cough again with the breathing issues and sleep disturbances. And now next day morning she could not able to go to school. So that used to continue for a long time. We have seen this actually over a period of time, and then we have taken her to hospital. They told her that she has to be put in the medicine immediately, otherwise it may lead to the asthma. Once we got admitted and we started using the medicine again, she has got repeatedly the same thing.
I got this problem when my 10th standard started, the first session started. Breathlessness, wheezing, and all that. It was really hard for me to concentrate on my studies because being able to talk, walk, run, all those things. It was pretty hard for me to concentrate on my studies. I used to get this problem, especially in the nights. I used to not get sleep at nights. And if I don't get sleep at nights, when the next day morning when I get up, my whole body will be paining like anything. Like it'll be paining so much that I can't do any work, walk, any works. I'll have to be in the bed. You were replying on time because if I had any problem, you were replying. You were accessible. You encouraged me to follow this diet, and then you were positive that I'd come out of this. Yeah, 3 months ago, the whole situation was like completely worse. I couldn't get up in the morning because I had no sleep in the night. I spent so many sleepless nights. Now there is nothing, there's no problem, no wheezing. I can breathe normally, and there are no sleepless nights. I'm getting a soundful sleep. I'm able to concentrate more on my studies. Constipation, it's drastically reduced.
The kind of the support that you have extended is as great. It is not only for Dhriti, if at all in my family anybody actually has some problem, I used to ping you, so you used to respond me back. So I used to avoid as much as possible the hospitals and all kind of support. That kind of support is really helped us. So that really made me to believe in your system.
Only when I had this issue, I cannot, I had difficulty while talking also, and that's how I couldn't hold my breath. Maximum amount I could hold my breath was around maybe 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. But now I've started holding my breath for 1 minute 30 seconds.
Wow, 90 seconds.
Yeah.
So yeah, 90 seconds means 10 seconds to 90 seconds means nine times your breath hold improved. Wow. Super, well done.
Thing for the long-term joy. Now it's gonna be hard, but if you do it and if you follow this diet for months, then your joy will be boundless. Like there'll be no, you'll be happy forever. You can eat whatever you want. You can go wherever you want. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to think about all this.
So this is very, very important, I feel, for each individual. Everybody has to think about this medicine free support or hand holding.